All right, today we're unboxing the oil pan we got from partsgeek.com. Actually, I'm not sure if it's Parts Geek or Parts Geeks with an S.com. I'll look that up. I'll put it in the video. But we bought an oil pan off there because Summit and Jigs and Speedway and everybody else wanted $300 to $400 for oil pan, and Parts Geek had it for $199. So we're gonna see if we wasted our money or if we got a good deal. So just making sure there's nothing in the packing. Sometimes they stuff little parts in the packing. Ooh, like see, O-rings. Yeah. Okay. So we have one dipstick made in China. There's a shocker. Okay, so dipstick, O-rings, windage tray, and if y'all will go back to the other video where we compared oil pans, you'll see this windage tray is already cut off. This one's already got the front sliced off of it, but I'll put in a link. Somewhere here, I'll put the link to get to the other video where I sliced up the windage tray. And let's see, dipstick tube itself doesn't appear to be smashed, so that's a good thing. We actually had one came in the box that was all mashed to pieces. It had a rough ride. All right, pickup tube. Yeah, and in case you didn't know it, the pickup tube has to match the pan. You can use the windage trays sometime out of whatever and modify it like I did and just slice it off to fit. But the pickup tube, really important to match the oil pan. Okay. Came with a new gasket. Woohoo! Alright. Now, oil pan itself. And empty box. Made in China. Shocker, I know. Okay, let's see if the oil pan survived the trip. Ta-da! How about that? It looks just like the part we're needing. Has a drain plug in it. Does have the fitting for the oil filter. I'll put in the part number. Ooh, there's a little piece of casting. Did you see that? There's a little piece of the casting left. When it was cast, ooh, that'll be a sharp edge. Okay, we'll remember to file that down before I slice my hand open. And it doesn't have the oil level sensor, which the last one I bought from the other company didn't have that either, so I can't knock them on that. But it doesn't appear to have any damage. And appears to have all the holes drilled in the right places. They're all tapped. So, yeah. I'm going to say $199 was a pretty good buy for a Firebird F-body pan. That was a lot better than $400 or $475, whatever they're charging. I'll put in the link for what Summit and the rest of them and Holly and all of them are asking for their pan. So, yeah. We'll put the 100% Chinesium pan right on there. So, there you go. That's your unboxing video for Parts Geek. Or Parts Geeks. Yeah, I'll figure that out. I'll fix that. So, yeah. It came with everything. I'm happy it came with all the parts. Not happy everything was made in China, but hey, it's the world we live in. All right. Thanks for watching. And as always, thank you, Lord. Thank you for today.